Hello guys, this is from the Aunty Rose's kitchen, your lovely, lovely fresh pork stew. Look at it. Pork, carrots, celery, potatoes, and all the ingredients. Remember, 20 minutes. And this is what Aunty Rose wants you to try. This is the broccoli rice. Shelly, it is so easy to cook. This rice only takes like 5 to 7 minutes, and it's very nutritious. So this is already washed, the pork, nice slices of pork, fresh from the market this morning. I went out to the market. So what you want to do is to put a little salt. In any meats at all, you have to put a little salt. Remember I told you that I have to have a bone in my meats to make certain what kind of meat it is that I'm eating. For the stew, what I'm going to do, I'm going to brown the meats a little bit first, and then I use salt, a little black pepper, brown paprika. With the stew, I'm going to use celery and carrots and two white potatoes I'm going to dice, and also I can use the garlic and the onion. So what I'm going to do now over here, the oven is waiting. So here you're going to put your this is your kitchen, be real. Alright, so you put them on here. Alright, don't burn your hand now, and you can give it around 10 minutes. The temperature will be 400, because what you want to do is cook the pork before you stew down the pork. Any meats at all, remember, you have to off cook it. Okay folks, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a lovely pork stew. So what I do, I cook the pork first. As you can see here, I have lovely pieces of the pork chop, and what I'm going to do here now, I'm going to cut it in pieces, smaller pieces. Wow. Actually, this is well done. I bought this at the market this morning. So what you would do, you would cut your pork in bite-sized pieces. It's going to be a pork stew, and it's going to be very, very quick and nutritious. Remember, in everything you cook, put love into it. Make it be nutritious, fun, clean, and good cooking. The foods that you prepare at home, you know what you are eating. Nice, good, clean foods. Okay, so here now I have it in bite-sized pieces. It's going to be a pork stew. I have my carrots, my celery, my onions and garlic, my white potatoes, and of course, yes, I'm going to make a lovely instant chicken broccoli rice, which is going to be very, very quick. This is a nice rice. I like it also. It's like a seasoned rice. So here I have my meats already chunks, and I'm going to take it over here, and the water is boiling. So what you're going to do, you're going to put your meats. Wow, 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 I told you to already cook. Okay. Your potatoes. Your carrots. Your celery. Put everything in it. Anything you have can go in it. Anything. The aroma already. Okay. So your medium burner. Can you see that? It's going to be very quick. And you cover it. Now with this, you have to give it a certain amount of heat. And for the rice, you use 1 cup of water. It's boiling already. So you put in your rice. Wow. This is a seasoned rice. So you don't have to put no salt or no butter or nothing at all because it's already seasoned. Let me go and check on my pork stew. Wow, wow, the aroma. Wow, look at this. Potatoes, carrots, celery, pork. Remember the pork was already cooked. I have already cooked the pork and I cut it up in bite-sized pieces. Okay, so what you have to do at this point, you have to get a little, you have to thicken it. So you make a little flour paste. You get the flour here, a little flour. Some people also make some little dumplings with the flour to put in the stew. But we have a lot of foods in there already and we have rice. So we don't want to have dumplings and rice at the same time. But dumplings are very nice. What you do to make dumplings, you use flour, baking powder, and a little water, like you make a nice dough, like you're gonna make bread, and then you would roll it or cut it up, whatever sizes you want, and put it in your stew. And this is also a 1-pot stew, so it is easy. And to be honest, everybody would also like to just have a 1-pot because you do not want to have a lot of cleaning up. When you have a 1-pot with 2 plates, guess what? Your life is easy. Okay, so you mix a paste here, and what you do now, you bring it over here and you pour it over your stew. Wow, the aroma. Wow. You know, these pots, the handles can be very hot. When they are selling them, they don't say the handles are very hot, so you have to just use your discretion and read. They are very nice, but they are very hot, the handles, so you have to know how to manage them. So what you are going to do, you are going to turn down a little black pepper at this point. And you are going to turn down your burner a little bit more. So you are going to let the flour cook, simmer. The rice is already cooked over here, which this is the broccoli rice. Wow, the aroma. Pork, white potatoes, carrots, celery, thyme, onions. Wow. And guess what? It's ready. Wow. Aunty Rose's stew. Pork stew. Wow. Aunty Rose, you can do it. 20 minutes. Pork stew ready. Shelly nice rice. Seasons broccoli rice. This is also done. Very shelly and nice. Aunty Rose's, your kitchen is happening. Oh my Lord. When you're in your kitchen, be happy. It's your kitchen. Wow. Yes, Lord. So what we have here, you can even rest the pot on the table. So here you have your pork stew, 20 minutes, and your lovely broccoli rice. So folks, I want to thank you again for staying with Aunty Rose's kitchen. Me, Aunty Rose, you supported me, and I just want to say thank you. Please subscribe and send me your comments, because your comments will let me be a better cook also. I am trying to teach you all quick, delicious cooking. So please hit that bell. And remember, Aunty Rose's kitchen. And I thank you all very much. Thank you for your time. Your time is so valuable to me. That's why I try to show you nutritious, quick, clean cooking. And this is coming from Aunty Rose's kitchen. Thank you. Bye-bye. Please subscribe and leave your comments. And I thank you very, very much. And this is coming from Aunty Rose's kitchen. Wow.